In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Mail password. Keeping your email secure is crucial, and updating your password regularly is a simple yet effective way to enhance your account's security. So let's dive right into the process. To begin with, open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is usually represented by a small circular icon, which might display your initials or profile picture depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled My Account. This will redirect you to your account management page, where you can access various settings related to your Zoho account. Once the My Account page has loaded, you'll see a variety of tabs on the left side of the screen. Look for the tab named Security. Click on it to proceed. This section is particularly important as it houses all the settings related to the security of your Zoho account, including your password configuration. Within the Security section, you'll find an area specifically devoted to your account's password. Here, you can manage and update your current password. You'll see an option that allows you to change your password. Click on this option to begin the process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial to verify your identity and ensure that you are the rightful owner of the account. After entering your current password, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance its strength. Avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or common words. Once you've entered your new password, you'll typically be required to confirm it by typing it again. This helps to ensure there are no typos and that you've entered exactly what you intended. When you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoho Mail password. Remember, it's a good practice to update your passwords regularly and to keep them secure. If you ever feel your account may have been compromised, don't hesitate to change your password immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.